Hello and welcome to my channel. If you are a product manager in 2025 and still not using AI, you are falling behind. Today I'll show you top AI tools that can save your hours, improve your decisions makings, and make you 10x more productive. Even if you are not a technical, let's dive straight in. So first of all, let me list out top five product tools that you need to be used in 2025, so you are able to move ahead from those product managers who are not using these AI tools. So let's start with these top five tools, and I'll start from five because I don't want to make you to wait for the first one again. Yeah, it's a five number, but doesn't make any sense or any change that first with the first tool. Every tool has an one feature and they are best in their own domain. All right, so I have to I have to discuss with the top five, right? So I will starting with my five just to get some more likes or views on this. All right, so here it is. First application is Tabletty. Tabletty is, if you just go on Tabletty, if you want search on the browser Tabletty AI. So it's not stability actually, it's Tabletty. uh, wait a minute, it's a OKR. All right, so first one is Tabletty. It's a OKR. Basically it's actually help us to set any type of goal, or able to track your data. And if you are a product manager, you always you have to set some certain goals on behalf of the whole sprint, or on the basis of Jira's, right? So is if you are running PM, right, you have to work on on as per the given goal. If you are working with the management team, so the management always give you a particular deadline. So the deadline meet and how the progress is running on that, so you are able to use this Tabletty. So it is already so if you just signed up with your Gmail or all, it will be looking like this. If you see, I have already signed up with my mail ID, and it's showing me like this one. So if you see, this is a small overview of key results and tasks, and what the confidence of your task is already given there. And it has certain, like, my focus is basically just, it's like a overview page of your whole task that you are already added with this. And then there is a plans. I mean, let's suppose I have just created a plan for this. It is my basically info, product manager.info is my actually a website where I have to check how it is going on, and how it is working right now. So I can just provide integration with my website, or able to see how it is my complete overview is working. Even though you see quarter four plan, same plan, or some certain project plan. So for example, like, if you are setting up a particular application that will be released in next 1 month, so for that application you are able to directly write a new plan for there, where you can just set all your every week or every 2 week or every month's plan. And also you're able to share with your team as well. I mean, how they are able to react on that or work on that basis. So basically it's a best tool for planning of your goals. I mean, for any goals, like if you're planning on an app development or web development, or any sprint plan, or you're going to be demonstrate anything for presentation and all. So basically it's specifically working on on the basis of the task. Plus it's also give you AI written status update for your stakeholders as well. If like, if you want that, let me show some example here. It's my task. If I creating a backlog that I need to achieve, at have to achieve 30% of this task. What's the task? Is that I need to create HTML website for this. Okay, and now what will be the task? First, create index.html. file, right? It's not showing yet. This is past create and HTML file. Alright, and then the design, the specific design, if I say it should have all contacts or and a log section. Okay, and what is the progress? If you want progress, this is it's at 0%. Alright, and review will be submitted. And also what's how much it's ready and how much it is blocked. So based on this, I mean by this you are able to create your task, and again it has also notes where you can directly write anything on that. I have created that index.html, right? It is as a map. I mean if you see now it will be showing as an that pending check-ins, how many tasks that I have added. It is showing me the task basically. Now if you are able to see how many tasks that you have created, right? And now and it will be assuming as in how much that has been done. All right, so this is basically a small graph that will be show you your outcomes and that you have made in that particular quarter and all. All right guys, let's go for the next one. Next one will be the Gamma AI. I mean, most probably you guys already know what is Gamma AI. It is basically a best tool as of now for I mean, whoever is want to give you a presentation and all. So let's go to Gamma AI. This is the page of Gamma AI. How it is looks like. I'm already signed up with it, or you're able to see it will be give you some sort of credits, right? And if you ask me about what actually Gamma AI is doing, it will be directly create any idea into a beautiful presentation deck using AI, and also it will be giving you a great result for you. If you see that I just created this project, I mean this presentation right now just before the video recording, that AI tools every product manager should use in this. So it is just created me in 2 minutes a complete deck of the presentation. So you can think on how much is productive, or I know the helpful tool for the product managers it is. Alright guys, I mean it also giving some more options like present now, like you're able to present from in front of the stakeholders who are able to I mean able to see every aspects of these presentations. It will give you an premium look, like everybody want to you know design this type of presentation who takes much more than 2 or 3 hours of time at least, but it will give you in 2 or 3 minutes. So Gamma is AI is well, it's number fourth tools for product manager who can use. Next we will discuss number three is linear AI, which is great tool. I'm just gone through within it. It is literally, I mean, making me wow what it actually is doing in this way. If you just open, I've already signed up within it as well. So and I have created one project within it. That is my TPM website. Again, that's my website where I'm just working right now, and it is showing me this. And the great part of this, the linear.app is you're able to integrate your GitHub directly within it. I mean, you're able to integrate, if you just gonna help you to this how it is going to integrate. So this is my TPM website, which is currently live on my GitHub. If you see, this one is my GitHub account where it is showing, and I have created some issues to track all those data, right? So if you see this is one that, that particular issue that I have raised on this my GitHub. Or if you just go to this linear.ai, you are able to see, I mean you are able to see those those comments, sex comments and all, I mean, or updates. One second, one second. Okay, sorry. So if you are able to see this, this is my project. I mean, that's just, I just created a one normally a issue over the GitHub, that is homepage need to design, and same it will be showing me like here. And also here I'm able to see the GitHub, I mean what GitHub has been created, or how many pushes has been made on that. Even though the comments that I want to add on that, I'm directly put here that comment that we need an blog page as well. So it will give me a post to GitHub. It will, and if I just click on post to GitHub, and I able to see it is directly available on the GitHub. So we need a blog page as well. So if you are not very well in using GitHub, right, you don't know how to do all managing issues and PRs and push calls, right, so directly you can use this linear.app, which is directly giving you integration of GitHub, where you can directly able to see all the projects updates on your, I mean in the on the Git library, basically. So this will be very helpful to you, so I suggest you just go and try this as well. It will be good for your ends. And if you want to know, okay, how to integrate this, if you just go to the setting page, or you just click on the integrations, so you are able to see they are providing multiple integration: GitHub, Slack, GitLab, Figma, Intercode, Google Sheet as well, I mean, which is also good tool. And also it is providing some chat agents as well, which is great tool. I mean, if you are using this one, it will be very helpful tool. Alright guys, so let's go to the next one. Next one we have Jam AI. Basically, obviously not AI or Jam AI, it is some tool. Let's go to jam.ai from jam.com. Okay, so it's it's again a very helpful tool, for the product managers who can able to manage or track their data from multiple aspects. All right, so this also having, I'm already signed up, so it will be directly take me to the dashboard of the exams.com AI agent. All right, so Jam AI is a very good tool, which is already having the chat GPT agents, or also they are able to read your integrations as well. As of now, if you see, I have already integrated Notion, search Notion, yes, Notion.ai, which is already integrated. This one I'm already integrated with this, or right. So if I just go to this one, and I'm just asking to create a script, sorry, not script, let's create a roadmap for building an blog website. Alright, I'll just create, it's not creating right now. Right now it is creating the, I mean, roadmap of this. Also I can show you, and what meanwhile this is my Notion, right, this is my Notion page, right. Now the tool that has, I mean, that I'm using, or it is actually creating a roadmap, right. So now I just ask, can you just post this roadmap with my Notion as a new page. So it start working, and it will now actually it will create a new page. So I just ask him, yes, please create the same. It is all actually it is already creating creating that page on my, now it's in grade. Now I hide page one running a strategy contained. So if you see where it is, yes, if you see, if I refresh this page, Let me see where it is adding. Let me fix this formatting issue and try again. Great. Now I will add planning strategy content. Now I will enter this page. Phase content. Now I add the planning section to the complete phase one. Perfect. It is actually adding my whole roadmap in my Notion directory. Earlier I was just created this video script, right, and it through that by AI, and I asked him to just post here, and all same as been it is done very efficiently, you know. Now let's wait to complete this. uh, Let me add the remaining features and key sections to complete the roadmap. Mm, you can track all the, it is also providing like Manas AI, what he actually doing right now. So it is saying the user want me to create a new page in their Notion workflow with a blog website roadmap. I have integration token. I mean, I'm already provided the integration token for the integration, which is already available on the Notions. I mean, if you just go and just click to check where it is. Where it is. Account setting connectors. So see the select page access of connections. Now basically it's getting me to connect now. If you see, this is already has been added, and I can easily got connections. So here basically in the connection section you are able to add a new connection, and you will get a no Notion token, which will be which will directly connect your Notion to this. For example, if you see, it is already added my that particular uh, roadmap, or so I can just go and see where it is. Flash, I don't know where it has been. Let me click through the link. Just this. Okay, so you can see the complete roadmap has been available uh, with my Notion page. So if you see, I don't need to make I don't need to copy paste or anything. I don't need to remember any page for that. It is directly just I just created the roadmap and save in my Notions. It is, I mean, it is very easy. Like if you are copy pasting all those time, maybe it will take some seconds, right? But again, there it is just giving the commands to Zamstar. It will be directly creating my whole pages in my Notion. Alright, guys. So Jam.ai is on number third position for me. It is available. Sorry, it's the second one, right? So number the number one we have mix panel. Mix panel. So mix panel, it is one of the best or the most used tool for most of the brands, and available in the complete organization. If you're going to be for interview for product managers, or you're going to be you know want to track or analysis or your web application performance, and also you want to know how many users or how many clicks has been regularly happening on your website, right? So as of now, so Mixpanel is the best use case for that. It will be providing you multiple dashboards, or also you are able to create a customized dashboard for that. So Mix panel is a great tool that should every product manager should need to be learned at least. You should know, okay, what mixed panel you can do, or you're able to perform within it. Even though in the recent big tech companies also adopting very high rate for mixed panels. So guys, let's start overview of this mixed panel page. So you can see this is a mixed panel overview page, right? I am already signed up within it, right? And I've configured my this website, which is welcome to techproductin.info, which is already integrated with mixed panel, and it is showing me the current user dashboard, which is this is just created a few hours back. I have created that one. If you see, just open this page, it will be just give me a first how many unique users. So I've seen this is first user, whereas my website is just just new as a beginner, new website. So I was only that guy who was checking all this. And I can show you something more. See, this is the mixed panel template, which is already readily available, right? Which is directly tracking my website contents. If you see, if I just show you, this is all the mix panels you hitting my mix website, and capturing all the data from my website to show here. All right, it will give you a broad level of understanding of your website performance, and also how it is working right now. Also, the best thing is you can create some any custom dashboard as well. Let's create insight report, right? If I say today, time period, previous, let's say custom, I've already added a today only, right? So as of now, it's not giving me any much details. Second side, I just took a template. Just, yes, this one. Currently it is not loading properly because my website does not much pages, so that's why it's not helping me very much on this. So I'm just closing this one. So broadly, if I speak about mixed panel, it is very good stuff, to learning purpose also. To if you are a new here, you want to analyze your product, and you want to discuss, okay, how it is working and all. So these are some templates, example templates. Let me show this. But this is also basically showing my website's page also, how many active users by country, city, users today, past week, whatever happened this. So these all are showing right now. Or if I just give started word, it is by default it will be give you you know basic template of the dashboard, right? I didn't make anything, or I didn't do anything. I just what I've done is just set up this this mix panel. Here it is, the setup page basically. Or basically, just what you need to do if you want to configure the integration, just see, these are the data panel, the integration part, where you can provide maximum data to mix panel as well. Now they are these are some tools where you can directly integrate your mix panel, and you're able to see the data analytics on the basis of this. I don't have much example for this right now because I don't gone through much. But the best thing that right now I have seen, that the integration part that I just did. If you just want to create a new board, or use I just use a template company web analytics, sorry. I just start analytics with using web analytics, user metrics, and also I have to first set up this mix panel. So you're able to see this type of website. I was just going through the quick start, connect data. So basically these are some variable that I need to put in my headers of the website, or you're able to put any websites where you want to capture the data information of your website. Then just you need to put it in head of websites, basically index.html, or any the home page file basically. And then you need to just verify the connection. It start listening your data or users, and replace part of all of this. So only using three step you are just directly integrate your website with the mixed panel, and then you are able to view or visualize all the data at, in the few minutes, you can say. Somehow if you are taking much time to uh, much time to connect your data on your website, so maybe take more time, but it is when I was doing all this, it take me more hardly 2 or 3 minutes or it start getting all the data from my website to showing this analysis on this. So alright guys, these are the 5 tools that I want to mention, so as behalf of my experience, or also in my past experience in where I was worked as a product manager in earlier organization. There was mixed panel was the first tool that very much highly used for analytics part of any web application, or you know uh, web websites basically. Also best part of mixed panel is that it is very easily to integration. The integration part is very easily for with the mixed panel, and or also the chart template, or the chart template that they are providing, the template was very easily. I don't have to create anything with these are active user today or active user by country. I don't need to create anything manually. It is directly just give me plugin type of integration, and directly start giving me the responses. So it's the best thing for right now, the using the you know uh, using mixed panels. So guys, this is all that I want to mention, and something that I want to say ki, that AI won't replace product managers, right? AI never be replace a product managers, because product managers is actually the connectors between the back and front and all the stakeholders. So all these three peoples are on different categories, but to provide a connection between them is a product manager who actually handling all this stuff. But there is one remark that I also want to say: if you are not using your product for, I mean, AI in these time, so those people who are using AI, those will replace you. AI never replace any product manager, but the people who are using these AI will definitely replace you. So I'm just over the closing. So let me know which tool that you are liked, and you're you're able to you want to learn in future. So just drop me the comment, and ask you any question do you have regarding this video. I'm really uh, I mean hopeful to you get those questions from your end. So this is all guys. Thanks for watching my video, and also great to have connect.